In this video, you'll learn how to share contacts on your Google Pixel phone. By following these steps, you will be able to easily send contacts information to others using various methods available on your device. Begin by unlocking your Pixel phone and locating the Contacts app in your app drawer. The app icon typically resembles a person's silhouette. Once you find it, tap on the icon to open the application. After the Contacts app launches, you will see a list of your contacts. Scroll through this list to find the person whose contact information you wish to share. Tap on the contact name to access their detailed information page. It is important to verify that all the contact details are correct before proceeding. This helps prevent the sharing of incorrect information. Next, within the contact details page, look for the share icon, which often resembles an arrow pointing outward or may simply say share. Tap on this icon to reveal the available sharing methods. You will see options such as messaging apps, email, or Bluetooth. Choose the method you prefer based on how you want to send the contact information. Once you make a selection, the system will prepare a vCard file, which is a standard file format for electronic business cards containing the contact information. Ensure that the recipient's device is ready to accept this file before continuing. After selecting your preferred sharing method, you will need to confirm the recipient. For instance, if you chose to share via messaging, select the contact from your messaging app. Once you have confirmed the recipient, proceed to send the contact information. The recipient's device will receive the contact file, allowing them to save it easily. It is advisable to check that the transfer completes successfully before closing the app. If there are any issues during the delivery, you could always resend the information to ensure it is received correctly. This method of sharing contacts ensures that accurate information is transferred. If you need to share contacts with multiple people, simply repeat the process for each contact as necessary. This functionality is particularly useful for quickly sharing important information without having to manually input details. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.